Life in the sea. Life on Earth began in the sea millions of years ago. The first living things were far smaller than the dot on this eye. As millions of years passed, thousands of different sea plants and animals took on many shapes, size, and colors. Some began to swim, some began to crawl. Some are still around today and some are not, dead and gone. Trilobites were among the earliest animals and lived on the sea more than 510 million years ago. They had jointed legs and external skeletons like insects and crabs. We don't know why, but about 250 million years ago they all died out. So, trilobites became extinct. We only know them because some of their remains turned into stones called fossils. Scientists use the fossils to work out how long ago they lived. Still here today. The brittle star is a sea creature that is luckier than the trilobite. This 180 million years old fossil looks like its living relative. Brittle stars have a round central disk and 5 fragile jointed arms that can easily break. Today, as in the past, large numbers of them are often found on sandy or muddy seabeds. Food chains. All plants and animals in the seas are part of a food chain. Plants produce their own food from sunlight. This is why they are called the producers in a food chain. Animals can produce their own food. They need to consume other animals or plants to survive. This is why animals are called consumers. Plant-eating animals are called primary consumers or herbivores, and meat-eating animals are called secondary and tertiary consumers or carnivores. If they kill other animals, we also call them predators. Here is an example of a food chain at sea. If the producers die, the consumers are also in danger because the producers, such as phytoplankton, provide the energy in their food chain. Scientists tell us that many different kinds of plants and animals became extinct 250 million years ago. At the same time as the trilobites, perhaps trilobites died out because something happened to destroy their food chain.